aweze kupewa nafasi aweze kufanya namna hiyo.
Mwanju muligereria mwaka bwechirwe 2022 nigo bo mwaka omokongo mwaka bwa mangana mange ati aba mangana ayoborwire wa COVID-19 amangana yobochori obonene bu mwaka oyo amangana mange ayonyara ko bakago koreka ase omwaka oyo Muriko itobo mangana maya Brighton Makori onyare ko baga kurigereria ali anyara ko bakago koreka mono asobochori obonene bu mwaka oyo igabwechirwe 2022 abo asomorai bwense Dr. William Ruto abete omorai bwense ya Kenya asanyare ko bakago ikirania amange na gutare taro ase chinse chesko unenjira ya moyo kuligio bwa matobu ya na kuligio bokorerio bya asaba Kenya ase amatuko alibosio asoroboti rwabene togucha kurigereria nigo togucha kumanyanga inki omorai bwense Dr. William Ruto akorire korwa aba omorai bwense asobochori bonene obwa korekana omutinyo 5 na 3 omwaka oyo
omwaka bwejirubere ne hanene nigo koinyorwa sense ya Kenya ekera Kenya basogete na kwenda gwaka chikura erigonjorero bogambi korwa sobogambi bwachubiri ase obojori obu na manga korekanete asobojori obu bwanyarite bu kwamereriwa na bamereri bali batanyorite chikure chikorwa somo bwasimioro moja wani Kenya kolende ekambirike kana chabuna murai ose obomo bwa Kenya kwanza ni bwabwete chikure echo.
It is our finding that the declared president-elect attained 50% plus 1 of all the votes cast in accordance with Article 184 of the Constitution.
Fellow Kenyans, on the 9th of August of 2022, Kenyans participated in an election that ushered in new leaders at all levels of our governance realm.
Hereby declares that Ruto William Samoei has been duly elected as the president.
It is a wonderful evening, and I want to thank God that we are here this evening to witness this momentous occasion as the people of Kenya restate what is in Article 1 of the Constitution of Kenya, that all sovereign power belong to the people of Kenya.
Ekero Ruto anyarithika kwira chigura nigo bona monjoreri anyarithika okorwa somora yomokoro Uhuru Kenyatta gocha somora yomo ya Dr. William Ruto.
The last election was a difficult moment for all of us, but when I saw bishops in Bomas praying for every moment and every step of the way, holding vigil across the night, so that Kenya can have a peaceful election.
Asentunde ntangani umurai Ruto niga umeranete ne parasa ramawasiri ali alenga serikali ya Chubiri.
How are you? Very good. Wari yako Yatani? Hello waziri. How are you, sir? Very good. Haya. How are you?
Oigo Ruto nigerete chinga kina gochora bagwasiri abaya asobokoreri bwa Kenya kwanza.
Minister for Education Ezekiel Machogu.
Hekera nyardiga gochora niga baboreti bagwasiri bonsi okora ba Kenya emeremo.
I haven't appointed any cabinet for any region or for any county or for any community. I have appointed a cabinet of Kenya.
Oigo asensemo oyo ikaranie ira Elia Sorafan nigo moraibwensa nyarithika gochaki umoroberio oyo.
Hazina hii chanzo chake ni kwamba tulitembea sehemu nyingi ya taifa letu la Kenya, na kila sehemu wananchi wa Kenya walituambia wanasumbuliwa na fuliza, wanasumbuliwa na mashailok, wanahitaji pesa ya kuendesha biashara zao.
Asenzemo yubwagaji winyomba uyumekanidebna affordable housing boygomorai wense na nyarde gakoyo chakia.
This project is very important to us because it will help us sort out one estate called Mukuru here. Mukuru Kwanjenga here, this Mukuru place, and I was there, I think, a week before the elections. Unisaidie tuwe na housing fund ambayo itatusaidia kufanya mortgage.
Asenzemo yejisemi murai wense na habwate aya agokwana.
To provide for this 100% transition, every primary school should have a secondary school. Even in the 844 system, that would be where we would actually be going.
Asetaro ya yego jasi jinse chisiko murai wense na chedo ikasense ya Tanzania asa kwanrede yuliyobama de wense ya Kenya na Tanzania.
I have come here to underwrite that increase in trade is where we want to go. We want to increase our trade between our two countries from now 45-50 billion Kenya shillings, a total of 90 billion Kenya shillings. We want to double that trade.
Boigo na jeto ikasense ya Ethiopia asanyarde gakwigoro bokorari we kamban ya Safaricom.
You people of Ethiopia, you are lucky. You have a genius for a leader.
Boigo murai wense na tarete go ikasense ya America asebono banyorande na barai bande erigo kwanro bokorari bwe chinse cha Africa amonense ya America.
With the know-how and with machinery can take advantage of the huge land resources in our continent, the big population in our continent. Instead of exporting commodities, the US should find an opportunity in investing the capital they have, the machinery they have, the know-how they have, so that they can produce for the African continent in Africa.
Asensemo yogo chenji kwerire nigo murai wense achedo ikasense ya ichi.
Instead of struggling to power industrialization using dirty energy, which is costly and destroying our planet, we want to make a case for developed economies to decarbonize their production by directing industrial investments to Africa and making use of clean energy to manufacture for the whole world.
Asenzemo yoko imukiriri birengo bya uchumi na kwanede na kiense takere kubaterana nebyombe binde eliko imoki ibirengo bya uchumi igoro.
Leaving anyone behind. Let's move together. It's the best way to grow the economy.
Asenzemo yogo simekemete.
Planting a tree should be the most urgent task for each one of us today and every other day.
Asenzemo yobolendi nigarwete kuregetindigo chiase abasagani.
Mimi nimesema leo nikiwa Turkana, watafute kazi nyingine, kwa sababu hiyo haitawezekana tena katika taifa letu la Kenya.
Boigo murai wense na nyarete ikawikirani asogotuma amachoni ense ya Kenya ujaseze ya Congo.
You have promised us, Heavenly Father, that you have promised us your peace that goes beyond human understanding.
Irikobeko moremba asensemo eyo.
I am confident that you understand the immense nature of the mission you are about to embark on and the expectations that come with it. Your resolve to always execute your mandate, often in unforgiving situations and conditions, to the highest standard, has earned the Kenya Defense Forces accolades in missions abroad and ensured the same back home.
Boigo nigo murai wense arwetege kuregetindi igoro yamangana ya mariogo yobotindi.
Mambo ya pombe haramu tutakabiliana nayo.
Asensemo yekemerige chae
so that we can begin the journey to add value to all our teas, create jobs and access better value for our farmers.
Igoro yugo chamo na kubeko morembe asense ya Kenya.
Nitajenga katika hiyo msingi ambayo mliweka kama wa Kenya, kwamba Kenya itaungana na jamii zote za Kenya zitaungana.
Ayungati yali omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto anyareka okora inse ya matuko emiyemo anyareka kobobisi ekaronto gutambuka gokiaso mwaka bw'igirubere ne 2023 nigo tusemere tubene serikali ya Kenya Kwanza n'igikora amange. Good